As you can see on the screen right now, I've got really curly wavy hair, but that is all about to change. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you an amazing hair treatment that eliminates curls permanently. I'm going to be applying a chemical relaxer to my hair today, and I'm going to document the whole process for you. I am here today in London at the Barry Graham Salon, which is located in Woodford. I've linked the address to this salon down below. First of all, we're going to wash the hair and make sure it's free of any styling products. It's essential we do this. After, we're going to towel dry so we get some of the excess water out. This is where it gets really interesting. Stylist Darren is applying the straightening solution for natural and resistant hair types. We only have a 20-minute time slot to get the product onto the hair. We have to get it on as quickly as possible before we wash it off again. Darren sets the timer for 10 minutes and we play the waiting game. After the time is up, we then rinse with lukewarm water thoroughly. The next step after towel drying the hair, we apply the neutralizer, which resets the hair bonds, and that's why Stylist Darren combs my hair back. We rinse it off again and it's time for the part we've all been waiting for. What is the result? As you can see, my hair is just so straight. It also feels incredibly smooth and silky, and my blow drying time has been cut down dramatically. This treatment is incredible. I officially don't have any more curls in my hair. My hair type now is straight with a little bit of wave, which is the type I wanted. If you want this treatment, make sure you get it done properly at the Barry Graham Salon in London. Other salons will rip you off for this treatment, but it's really affordable if you get it done here. Honestly, I'm so happy with my new hair type and I plan to get it done again sometime in the future. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments section. Are you now planning to get this treatment done after seeing the video? Do you think I should have stuck with curly hair? I'm really interested to know from you guys, and I'm waiting to hear your opinions. I'll see everybody in my next video. I'm Jake Daniels.